Hi everyone, morning mobility is so important to loosen our stiff joint, to improve our blood circulation, to calm our nervous system and to start our day with clear focus and calm mind. But sometimes we have less time or we don't know where to start. So this video is just right for you if you have less time or if you are a beginner. So I'm just going to share simple things that you can start your day with. You can just put your hands on your knees and just take some neck rolls. Let's start with just mobilizing our upper body. You can do few at your own pace, being very gentle and mindful how you're moving. You can do 3 to 5 and then you can change the direction when you're ready. So this will take care of your neck where we can be holding a lot of tension. Okay, now let's move our shoulders. You're going to put your fingers on your shoulders and then just move your elbows up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great for shoulder mobility and improving your blood circulation. Change the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Nice one. Put your hands in front, then just stretch your arms up. Breathe in. Breathe out, bring your arms down. You can breathe out from your nose or mouth. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. 2 more like this. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. 1 last. Okay, now side to side. Put your right hand on the side and then left arm up. Left arm down, right arm up. Just move a few times like this. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Okay, then just bring your legs like this and move your knees side to side. So great for opening your hips, mobilizing your lower body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Well done. Now bring your feet together. Let's do butterfly pose. So you can just move your knees up and down, opening your groins and again your lower body for next 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You can stop moving. You can stretch your legs forward like this and then just stretch your arms up. Inhale, exhale, come forward. Doesn't matter if you're touching your toes or not. We are just moving our body up. Breathe in, breathe out, forward. 3 more like this. Up, breathe in, breathe out, forward. Up, breathe in, breathe out, forward. Up, breathe in, breathe out, forward. Very nice. Now come on your hands and knees. Let's do quick and cow pose. So on your knees and on your hands. And just drop your belly, lift your chin up. Inhale. Exhale, round your spine, chin to the chest. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, round your spine. Do 3 more like this. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Inhale up. Exhale, round. 1 more. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Nice one. Bring your spine to neutral position. Step your left leg forward. Bring your right leg back. Now just give a little pulse. So just pulse your right knee. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Put your right knee down. Then just straighten your left leg and bend it few times. It doesn't matter how straight your left leg is. You're just opening your body right now. So do 3 to 5. 2 more here. Nice. Okay, now change to the other side. So again, right leg is forward. Lift your left knee back and give it a little pulse 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Nice one. Put your left knee down and then just straighten and bend a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Excellent. Put your right leg back and then come in frog pose or squatting, which is excellent to do in the morning. So you can just move side to side, bring some energy in your body, release the stiffness from your body. Do this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can lift up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then you can just stand, take a hamstring stretch, so you can bend your legs if you need to. You can come halfway or go all the way down. We're going to go up and down slowly, up and down. You can bend your legs if you need to. Just keep sliding your hands on your legs. So opening your hamstrings, your lower back, and then just do it one more time and then hold it. You can put your hand wherever you want. You can bend your legs generously. Hold this. Settle your breath for next 5. Relax your neck and shoulders. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you can bend it and sit comfortably. Take few breaths and that's it.